Live from New York, it's Get Loco Quick Start with the TaskLoco creator, Carrie. I spent 2 years building TaskLoco, the productivity app that goes with your flow. Just remember, sticky notes on a storyboard is all it takes to rocket your productivity through the stratosphere and reduce your stress levels, because we have no fear but fear itself. Another quick start. I'm on your side. And it's free. TaskLoco.com. Get loco. It's insane. And action. Welcome to the TaskLoco Quick Start tutorial for events on your TaskLoco Lite calendar. That's the free version of TaskLoco. Okay, here we are. Let's go to TaskLoco Lite. We're in. What are we going to do? Look here on the right, there's a little calendar icon, third from the bottom. Notice the orange bar. That tells you it knows it's today, Thursday, June 25th. So if you want to make easy events, just tap anywhere on the calendar where you want to make the event. And it's going to ask you, would you like to create a new event for this time slot? So all you have to do is say yes, and there it is. Inside the task and event section, there it is. Look, you can collapse it, you can expand it. So you make the event, it has a start and an end, date and time. You can mark it urgent, you can mark it a task, and what you have to do, see, it's unsaved changes. What we have to do is cancel, and when we go to save, it says please fill in required field. You have to give your note a subject. So we're going to call this have a snack. And now when we save it, we could scroll to the bottom. There's another save button. Notice on the bottom we could set a deadline. So here I'm going to set the deadline for today. I'm going to set it for, I don't know, a few minutes. 12:27 a.m. sounds good. I tap Save Task. Notice this button here. It's the list. It's your storyboard. And there it is. Look, have a snack with a deadline. Notice the check box. That means it's a task. Now I'll show you a couple of other cool things you can do. Notice the hamburger. There's another calendar. Take you right to it on the calendar, and remember, you just tap it and you're back in the task manager. You can add a tag to it. So what should we call this one? Tea time? Sure. That's a previous one. You can add another one. Snacks. And that's it. And all you got to do is save and hit the back button. And now you have tags. Now I'm going to show you the last cool thing. Look over here. That's your dashboard icon. When you tap on the dashboard, you get a pie chart. I've got 5 sticky notes in TaskLoco Lite Plus. Look over here. The blue are events. It also tells you what's due. This week, have a snack. Shows you your recent sticky notes and your tags. So look, there's snacks. That's the tag I added. That'll filter every sticky note with snacks. And then you could just drill in. And if you want to add notes, it's that simple. You could say, have tea and a muffin. Show you a quick trick. If you drop it a line and then backspace, it'll get bolded. And tap save, back to the list, and there's your snack. One other thing, we filtered on our snacks tag. You could always use the Ghostbuster symbol to remove all your filters, and now you have everything here, your entire list. So you got the dashboard, you got the calendar, and you got plus, and you can always drill in. You have the hamburger, and last but not least, the onion rings shows you the notes you added. Have a tea and muffin. That's what we call total organization productivity. Sticky notes on a storyboard. It is the answer. Thanks for joining me for the TaskLoco Event Quick Start.